What is the skill required for doing a job of US tax analyst at a Big 4? This is the most common questions which freshers ask to me on the daily basis. Most of the freshers who are BCom graduates or are doing MBA or pursuing the MCom are asking this question that what are the skills required to get into US taxation, and what are the courses which is needed, and what are the courses which they can do to ensure the job into Big 4 for US tax analyst. So in this video, I am going to counter the answer of this question, okay, for all the freshers or one who is asking this question to me every day. See, the skills required to get into US taxation is very simple, okay, but that is the basic skills which is needed in an individual to get a job of US tax analyst, okay. The basic skill is accounting knowledge. So if you are having the accounting knowledge, the strong hold on accounting, then you are suitable to get into the US taxation, because taxation is revolving around accounting only, okay. Yes, you are aware of Indian accounting, like it's not an international accounting, but that is more than necessary, okay, to get into the job, okay. The second skills which is required is MS Office. In MS Office, Excel is something which is most required, and that is very handy when you are working on US taxation on your system, okay, because for most of the work you will be working on Excel only, okay. So Excel is something which is very much needed, and if you are having a moderate or basic or advanced knowledge of Excel, then that is going to help a lot in your business of doing US tax analysis. So these two skills are most useful. Now, when you are asking me the courses to do for getting job into US taxation, please understand there is no such courses that can guarantee you the job into the US taxation, into Big Fours or any US firms who hires for US taxation. See, if you are a BCom graduate, okay, and if you are a MBA or MCom holder who are pursuing or have passed, they can apply for US taxation, okay. No extra curriculum, no extra courses, no extra certificate is needed for this job if you are trying to get into Big 4 at the fresher level, okay. So if you are a fresher, you can apply to the reference, you can apply directly for the US taxation, and there is no extra courses needed, okay. Suppose if you are not a BCom graduate, suppose if you are not a MBA graduate or MCom graduate, please understand, if you are not from the finance background, then that will be very difficult for you and for the company to train you for doing the business of US tax analyst, because you are not having the basic knowledge of accounting, okay. And to teach you, they will need more resources, which is waste of time and waste of resources for them, okay. That's why they will not hire you if you are not a BCom or MBA or account graduate, okay. If your background is not a commerce or accounting, they are not going to hire you, okay. But many people who have done accounting in this one BCom, okay, or maybe graduation, they are also pursuing enroll agent courses of US, okay. They are doing that to get into the US taxation. But if you are a BCom, you can apply, okay. See, in Big Fours or in US taxation companies, okay, the basic entry is to the BCom. If you are BCom, still you can become a tax analyst, okay, but your salary will be less because you are entering into the company at the lower level through the BCom, okay, and your growth will be slow because you have the limited education. But if you are a BCom and MBA, okay, you will be again a tax analyst, but your salary will be much higher than the graduate people, okay, and your growth will be higher because in a speedy way, because you are having the relevant education, okay, to go on the top, okay. So make sure that you are pursuing MCom or MBA or maybe a degree of 2 years, okay, the post graduation degree, okay, for a speedy growth, okay. But many people I know who are still doing graduation or who have done graduation and are into my company GT, okay, and they are doing very well, okay. So again, all depends when in which line you are going, direct tax, indirect tax. So I will not talk about much about that, but yes, there is no courses needed. Accounting and Excel is something which skills is very needed. And apart from accounting and Excel, there are much many more of soft skills which every company needs. Again, soft spoken, the well communication on yourself. Okay, apart from that, you should be proactive. A lot of soft skills which everyone says that yes, I am having, everyone lies. Okay, and company also knows, because this is something that can be built over the time. Okay, so the basic skills is Excel and accounting, and there is no special courses which you can do that can guarantee you to get into job into the US taxation. Okay, so get back to basic, understand the difference. Okay, if you got any kind of issue, please comment your doubt. I will always happy to help you. I will reply as much as I can, as soon as I can. Okay, you can also connect me over the Telegram, where I talk to you one by one for your interview, and I make sure your interview gets cracked, because interviews are very easy when it comes for US taxation. Okay, wish you all the best. Okay, and let me know if I can help you all out.